Hello, I'm Shayla Hogan, and this is my house tour of 2013/2014. Christmas has not come down yet, and I was waiting to do the house tour first before I took Christmas down. Christmas is kind of crunchy like a crouton at this point. So I'm going to take you for a tour of my house because that's what I've been promising. And here we go. So we are in the hallway. This is our little table. We throw our stuff when we come in. And that's our stairwell. So you have to duck your head coming down. That is an installation I did made out of Christmas lights and a screen with muslin on it. This is the room we call the parlor. We pretty much live in here. We watch TV, we play, we read, we write. Our desk is in here. So today I thought about self-definition, and I thought about how many people we are. And I thought about the fact that we are who we think we are, and we are who other people think we are, except for the only one that we can make any changes to is the one that we think we are. But in an effort to control what other people think we are, we don't do anything. We stay quiet. We don't make comments. We don't show people what we're doing, what we're seeing, what we're wearing, what we look like. And then we're just invisible. And they don't have the chance to appreciate us. So that's the impetus here for showing you my house. Plus, it looks pretty nice. Oh, that's Mr. Crackers. Hi, Mr. Crackers. Alright, so that's the parlor. We're going to go into the living room, where all the Christmas was happening. There is my happy little Christmas tree and fireplace. Here's my Santa on my bar, and my mirror made out of wood circles. This is a piece that I made from flashing. Oh. I think somebody's awake. And then here's the dining room. These are the shelves that I was very proud of redesigning. And there's the baby stuff. All of the window treatments are pretty much just makeshift. I pin stuff up. Lights on the wreath are twitchy lights, as I call them. And then here is the other shelf that I redesigned. And then here is our bathroom and our washer and dryer. And our super old sink. Linoleum floor that I put in. And the mirror. Oh, I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. Somebody's awake. Yay! Somebody's awake! Yay! Yay! We're having a house tour, Fiona. We're having a house tour. I was promised a built-in bench over here in this area. It's not happened yet. And, and there's the baby pen. Oh. Siding for the ceiling. And, and then there is our stove and our floating shelf and our cork floor. And I painted those myself. I hear you, baby. And last but not least, I painted the walls with a glaze treatment to look like onions. And I think I did a pretty darn good job. Alright, so that concludes our house tour. Because now we have to get the baby. Hi, baby! Say bye-bye! Bye-bye! Thanks for visiting.